Most people in the US are struggling to make extra money, but what if I told you you can make 100 per day online, even if you're a complete beginner? Stay till the end because method 3 is the easiest one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make money online, build side income, and become financially free, make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. The first way is freelancing. You don't need experience, just basic skills like writing, video editing, graphic design. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork. Example: simple logo design, 1050, just 23 clients per day, 100 tips. Start with low price, get reviews, then increase rates. Second method is using AI tools. Tools like chatgpt, Canva. You can write scripts, create designs, sell content. Example: create Instagram posts for clients, 520 each, 5 clients, 100 day easily. This is my favorite method. Create once, earn again and again. You can sell ebooks, templates, guides, platforms. Etsy. Example: sell a 10 template, 10 sales per day. 100 no inventory, no shipping, pure profit. Create content on YouTube, TikTok, promote products and earn commission. Example: promote tools like Shopify, every sign up 50. Let's be honest, this is not get rich quick. You need consistency, patience, smart work, but if you stay consistent, 100 days is totally possible. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more money making videos and comment below. Which method are you going to try first?